To get started with using Apple Pencil on your iPad, first ensure that your device is compatible with the Apple Pencil. The iPad 2025 supports both the first and second generation Apple Pencils. Next, pair your Apple Pencil with your iPad by removing the cap from the top of the pencil and inserting the Lightning connector into your iPad's charging port. For the second generation Apple Pencil, simply place the pencil on the right side of your iPad and wait for the prompt to pair. Once paired, you can use your Apple Pencil to navigate your iPad, create artwork, take notes, and more. To use the Apple Pencil, simply tap the pencil on the screen where you want to interact. You can use the pencil to tap, drag, and drop items, and to select text and other elements. In the Notes app, you can use the Apple Pencil to handwrite notes, create sketches, and even scan documents. To do this, open the Notes app, create a new note, and begin writing with the pencil. You can also use the pencil to draw and sketch in other apps, such as the Photos app and third-party drawing apps. To charge your Apple Pencil, simply plug it into your iPad or place it in a charging case. The battery life of the Apple Pencil is up to 12 hours, so you can use it all day without needing to recharge. Best practices for using the Apple Pencil include keeping the pencil charged, using a screen protector to prevent scratches, and regularly cleaning the pencil tip to ensure accuracy. You can also customize the Apple Pencil settings in the iPad Settings app to adjust the pencil's sensitivity and other features. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of your Apple Pencil and unlock the full potential of your iPad. With practice and patience, you can become proficient in using the Apple Pencil to create, navigate, and interact with your iPad in a whole new way.